Right, let's look at how you can basically color technical drawing. So we got intersections here. These are volumetric intersections, and the way you can color these intersections is by showing that each volume is made out of a different material. So for instance, we got wood, metal, wood again, and glass. Right, this is one way of doing the coloring. You basically just add the texture of each material on each of these volumes, and that's it. My student went for contrasting colors. Obviously, black and white and the color work very well for making the intersection just pop out. Obviously, the drawing is a bit too aggressive. It's not ideal, but it shows the point. Okay. And the other option is like this. You leave the technical just in line drawing. So we got a elliptical stairway here, right? Leave the drawing technical in mostly zero hatching, and then you hatch around it and tell a story by the entourage around it, right? In this case, there's a perspective, but there's a background here, another background here. These are filler elements. It's just made for the image to look good. And the drawing, if this would have been done in proper hatching, it wouldn't have worked because it's too much. It needs to show the white of the page, right? The color of the page. Cool. So these are the two methods of coloring technical drawing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the other side if you want to join one of my free courses on the freehand drawing and on technical drawing. Take care. Draw nicely.